It's a very positive atmosphere. People really want to collaborate, sharing their vision and working towards the future of integrated photonics.
The theme of PIC Summit this year is scaling together in a dynamic world. We have observed scaling happening along all vectors of this industry, and you can see here applications like quantum, which are really leveraging the increased integration complexity in integrated photonics. We also need scaling in public support through public money and also through the private capital, which is also going to expedite the scaling of our technology to solutions which can really make a real-world impact.
If we want to grow this industry, scale, ramp up the volumes, we need a lot of talent.
We have this Photon Jobs Hub. It gives you a lot of information about what is integrated photonics, what can you do with it, how is it applied, and of course also the vacancies that are available.
There's a lot of content to be found on there that we're still developing with many of the partners walking around here at PIC Summit.
By default in this industry, it becomes technology push. And we really want to flip that script and say, hey, how can we create venture that really starts from a problem that needs to be solved?
What we have done so far is help these founders create these startups based on actually finding the demand. And with Photon Delta, we now have the opportunity to actually create this by ourselves and making sure that founders are in a position where they can get a use case that is validated with real industry pains and also with real potential partners to collaborate with and to create that venture.
The market is actually taking off. The quantum computers are better and better every day, and there are more and more end users being interested in these quantum computers. I'm very impressed by the variety of the solutions that are proposed, the variety of companies that are there. We know integrated photonics will have to play a role for us, and yeah, I think it's very fascinating to be here.
AI is currently driving the whole industry, but people are looking beyond. If we have these AI models that can use integrated photonics to process data, they also need additional data. It unlocks new business cases, where again, for getting the data together, you also need integrated photonics. So you see now the large companies also looking into, okay, what is the next killer application, as they call it, for integrated photonics? And it's all linked to the AI boom. I think that was really exciting seeing that all come together in a program with so many different speakers.
Everyone that we can potentially work with in terms of the different foundries, different packaging partners are present here. We had very fruitful discussions with all of them. So definitely looking forward to participating also next year. A great conference.
This year I thought the atmosphere was great. I felt like the community was uplifted. I also saw it was busier. I saw that the crowd was more international. We had several delegations come in from other countries, large delegations of 40 or 50 people. The question is really how fast can you deliver millions of PICs at the right cost, quality and time? And that is what the theme of scaling together in this dynamic world was about this year.